So here we will put this out of the protection. We need to be sure where are located the chips. So the bottom part, it's the flat one without the wires. The top part is the one containing the wires at the top of the surface. The bottom part will be touching the glass.
Like this?
Yeah, that cannot touch any other place. Okay. So now we cut these ones. I'll put the strain gauge facing to the top on this window glass. No, this direction. And we put the tape following the same direction. Yeah, make all the contact. Yeah. And we do that for several strain gauges. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you press and then yeah, something like that.
And we're just cleaning in one direction.
No, this is just 220
Oh,
sandpaper.
okay.
You can put a lot.
And do it hard.
So we peel it from here, from this long part. Very careful. Never bring it from the other side, if not you will break the strain gauge. Then we locate the strain gauge where we want. So I will put my finger touching the wires at the back of the strain gauge. I'll peel the scotch until where we can see the initial part of the strain gauge, and the glue will be put there in a generous way. And then we'll apply pressure for 1 minute approximately. The tape from the top of the strain gauge, the opposite direction. Then we're trying to go a little bit inclined and checking that the strain gauge is completely attached. Then we put the SB tape. You can take it. And we cover the strain gauge. Then we fold the strain gauge to protect the cables, and we put another layer of SB tape. Once the wires are protected, we put another layer of isolation. Then we add the part B, 10 more, so until 20. And we start mixing. We only have around 1 minute to mix to start putting that on top of the strain gauge to be protected against the concrete stresses. You need to mix with speed and that until it turns white. And now we need to start putting it on top, but you put, so you want to cover all sides like that. Yeah, that's enough. And this will protect against any external stresses. We cover all. This epoxy will dry in 3 minutes, so you need to put everything fast.